Unraveling Idioms. Smell a rat, explained. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English idiom, smell a rat. Have you ever heard this phrase and wondered what it means? In this video, we'll explore its meaning, origin, and how to use it in conversation. Whether you're an English learner or just curious about idioms, this video is for you. Smell a rat is an idiom used when someone suspects something is wrong or feels that something is not quite right. It doesn't involve actual rats or smelling them. Instead, it's used metaphorically to express doubt or suspicion about a situation. For example, if your friend tells you a story that doesn't seem true, you might say, "I smell a rat," indicating that you think something might be false or deceptive. The origin of smell a rat dates back to the 16th century. Rats, known for being sneaky and causing problems, were often associated with deceit and treachery. The phrase likely comes from the behavior of rats being sensed or smelled before they are seen, indicating a hidden problem. This idiom has been used in literature and speech for centuries to convey suspicion or doubt. Now, let's look at how to use this idiom in everyday conversations. It's important to note that it's typically used in informal settings. Here are some examples. 1. When questioning the truthfulness of a situation, he said he was sick, but I smell a rat. I think he just didn't want to come to the party. 2. In a business context, to express doubt, the deal seemed too good to be true, and I started to smell a rat. 3. When something seems out of the ordinary, it's usually busy here on Saturdays. I smell a rat. What's going on? And there you have it. Smell a rat is a fascinating idiom that adds color and depth to the English language. It's a playful way to express suspicion or doubt. Try using it in your conversations and see how it enriches your language experience. I hope you found this video helpful. Stay curious, and keep exploring the wonderful world of idioms.